I don't know what I think about this color. Let me know if you guys like this color on me. It's kind of like corpsey rose, which is like romantic death. So anyways, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is my very first Boxycharm premium. Now a little bit about the premium. I know I look crazy, I'll explain it in a minute. So the premium is $35 additional on top of your original Boxycharm subscription. You can't just get the premium. You have to get the Boxycharm and then you have to add on $35 every month and get the premium. Now, I don't know how much the premium is supposed to be. Like, you know, I think Boxycharm's like $120. But let me just tell you guys what came in this box. I was very, very, very impressed with this box. Okay, first off, the theme of the box is whimsy. And this came with so many. Y'all, I'm obsessed with this box this month. I even took photos before I dug into it because I was like, this is the cutest box in the entire world. So let's go over what we got. First off, Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose. You guys, look at this. Okay, it's gigantic. It's probably the size of like 3 palettes put together, but it's beautiful. Look at the packaging. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's beautiful. You ready to see the inside? Of course you are. Look at yourself. Look at the pretty watercolor flowers. Look at the fingerprints. Look at the color story. It's so beautiful. Now, I didn't use any of these blues or the silver, but I used every other color except this one right here, Briar Rose. Hello. Probably should have used that for effect. But I created this. Now, what I do is I go over these items with you, but I don't tell you what I think about them. You guys have to watch the Tryon portion to see what I thought of them. This is $55. Next is Saturday Skin, and this is the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. It's such pretty packaging. And it's a straight up gel. It felt really nice. I did use this. Look, the top is like holographic raindrop. Oh, it's so cute. And that was $39. Oh! The next is the Ciate Confetti Highlighter. This is actually, I love this. I liked this more than I thought I would. I was thoroughly impressed with this highlighter. It does have like these little specks in it of a whole bunch of different colors, and it ends up turning into this beautiful kind of peachy rose gold color. It's super beautiful. It's also really good as like a blush topper. This is $32. The next is Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This is $48, and this is a gel cleanser for all skin types and made with amino acid rich soy proteins, calming cucumber, and balancing rose water, and is also sensitive skin friendly. So as soon as my cleanser runs out, I'm definitely digging into this one. The next is Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick, and this is in the color You Better Work, and I mean, there it is. It has like this little bit of sheen, but it is completely matte, but it doesn't suck the life out of your lips, and it is extremely comfortable, and it smells like chocolate. I don't know if I like it. Let me know if you guys like this color on me. This is $21. The next is IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. Say that 5 times fast. Look how big this is. This is so big, you guys. I am extremely grateful for this size. Are you kidding me? We've never gotten a dry shampoo this big in Boxycharm. I don't think ever. I think they've always been like this size. So, yes. Now, I don't know if charcoal's going to make yours, if it's like black. I don't think it'll be an issue with me, considering most dry shampoo has like a white powder. So I don't know. That should be interesting. That's $27. The next is M.Greengrass Dry Oil Spray. This is in the scent Beach Air. You guys, this, when you spray it on yourself, it feels like you're just spraying air on yourself. Dry oil is the weirdest thing I've ever tried in my life. Like, you can't even feel it. It just feels like you're getting misted with air, but you can see it. Oh, it just got shiny. Oh. I don't know how I feel about the scent, but it feels really cool. Almost like nothing when you put it on yourself. So, and that was $36. The next, y'all don't even know how expensive this is. Can you guess? I bet you can't. Try and guess. No cheating, don't look in the description. This is QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. This is a lip serum. It is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. And it is exclusively for the upper lip area. This is $200, y'all. $200. $200. The next is Daily Concepts Daily Hair Towel Wrap. And this is just a good old-fashioned hair wrap. Oh, and it shows you down here how to wrap it. So I've never had one of these, but I've always wanted one. And now I got one, and I'm happy about it. And it's black, so people who have, you know, their hair dyed, if you guys end up getting a lot of hair dye on your towels, it's black. I think you guys would love this. And this is $18. Here's the box total, because I'm sure you guys are interested. It's definitely over $300 because there was a $200 product, but I'm not going to do math. I'll do that in editing. You're welcome. Alright, if you guys are interested, let's get on to this look. Let's start with Saturday Skin. This is the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. This is supposed to have anti-aging properties to it. So let's see what it looks like. It's very thin. I mean, it's got a very soft smell. It's a very thin gel consistency. So let's see how this feels on your skin. I'm not wearing jewelry for this part because when I do my actual like makeup, powder gets on everything. So I always put my jewelry on after I've done my powders because it just gets on everything. It gets in my hair, gets on my jewelry, gets in my mouth. I need to learn how to do makeup. This absorbs really fast. It's just a very light, semi-tacky texture now on my skin, but that absorbed really quickly. Whoa, do I look younger? My eyebrows look awesome. I have not used this yet. I think I'll start using this. I'm almost out of a cleanser I have right now, and then I'll start using this. But I love Fresh and all of their products, so I know I'm gonna love this. Today is Sunday, and I was not expecting to get Boxycharm at all. I've never gotten anything on Sunday from Boxycharm. So this is actually a dry shampoo, and I had my hair up for a different video, but then Boxycharm came, so I'm doing this video now. And this is a charcoal detox dry shampoo. I have not used this because my hair is up, obviously, but I'm really, look how big this is. This is gonna last me a while. I'm super excited about this. This dry oil spray, fast absorbing multi-purpose dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture. Leaving skin soft and luminous. Okay, wow, I don't know why I just shook it. It's just liquid. So, let's see what this smells like for... Oh, I'm sorry, softbox. You smell pretty... Ooh, woo! It's... Oh. Oh, that's weird. It's like not cold. It's a dry oil. Whoa, that is weird. It feels like I'm just spraying air on myself. Too much. I put too much on. I'm dead. It's kind of masculine smelling. It's got like a musk. I think musk. Yes. Is it bergamot or bergamot? bergamot, citrus, white jasmine, Brazilian soft woods, heliotrope, and musk. The musk makes it a little on the manly side, like something my husband would wear, so that's interesting. Okay, next is this QMS lip line corrector, and this is easily getting dirty. How the frick? Oh, ow. Oh! Oh! Oh, it twists! Oh, okay, I feel smart now. This targets fine lines and wrinkles. It's made specifically for the upper lip area. So let's obviously put it on the bottom too. My lips look like they're getting tinier as I get older. So sad. If y'all want to see a awesome lip plumping video, I'll go ahead and link that above, because and this I will be using after my baths. So I'm also very grateful for this because I've never had one before and I've always needed one. My hair is very long and these would have been extremely helpful. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation and earrings and, you know, eyebrows, and then I'm gonna do an eye look on one eye, and then I will come back on so we can do this eye together. I'm coming in here real quick. I haven't actually finished this look. This is what it's gonna look like, but I put on glitter and I realized, oh, I should have put on highlighter first. So what I'm gonna do real quick is go ahead and try the highlighter. It is really beautiful. Alright, so I have put it on. It is really beautiful, actually. It's very glistening. It looks really wet. I like that kind of look, though. So it is kind of like a peachy highlight, so I feel like this would look good on a multitude of skin tones. So I actually like it. I mean, I feel like it's almost my skin tone, so I'm thoroughly impressed. I like it. I totally do. Okay, let's go ahead and do this eye, and then I'm gonna put on some lashes. Alright, so I put on some lashes. They are from KP Cosmetics, and they are in the style Wishing Well, which is very fitting. And now on to this lipstick. So I have this formula. It's in a much smaller one, though. This one is like gigantic. I have like a tiny one, and it's like a a soft pink, but this one is like a pink metallic. This is You Better Work, so let's go ahead and try this. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. This smells like a chocolate souffle. Oh, I just got it on my nose, and that's okay, because now I can smell it. Oh my god, it smells so good! Oh, this is a really, cool-toned color. It's like a purple-brown color. Looks like it's got gray in it. Does that make my teeth look terrible? Probably. Okay, there's this lip. It's very cool-toned, and honestly, you can't even see that it's like metallic. I mean, I guess it has a little bit of a sheen, which is nice because it's matte. And oh my, this is really comfortable. Like, this is actually really comfortable to wear. And it's not sucking the life out of my lips. Like, they're not extremely wrinkly. I don't know what I think about this color. Let me know if you guys like this color on me. It's kind of like corpsey rose, which is like romantic death. So anyways, that is all, you guys. I have a little bit to say about the palette, other than it being like gigantic and kind of difficult to stow away with your other ones. I did have a little bit of blending issues with Grim, which was this dark purple. The shimmers performed beautifully. I felt like Grim just kind of didn't blend out as nicely as the other ones. All the other ones were beautiful, but that was the only one that I had issues with. Other than that, it was beautiful. Everything was super pigmented, like almost immediately. You know, you didn't really have to build anything up. It kind of like went on straight away and was beautiful. But that's all I have, you guys. Let me know what you thought of this box. Let me know what you guys got in your box, and let me know what you thought of this look. I tried to match the theme of the box, y'all. Whimsy, okay? Whimsy. Anyways, that's all I have for this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! And then I'm gonna do an eye, because this eye is really hooded and downturned, and this eye looks semi-normal, but still crappy, so meh. The next is Daily but this is 55. The next is Okay, now let's get on to this if you guys are interested.